Myself Sakshi Tiwari. My topic is number system. What is number system? The number system is used for representing the information. The number system has different bases. A way of writing numbers is known as a number system. Computers use machine language to communicate with each other. The positional number system, in which the value of each digit varies based on where it appears in the number, is understandable to computers. Basically, four types of number system: decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. Binary number system is base 2, octal number system is base 8, decimal number system is base 10, and hexadecimal number system is 16. What is decimal number system? The decimal number system is a base 10 number system. It uses 10 digits 0 to 9. Each digit's place value is a power of 10, like 10 to the power 0, 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 2. It is the standard system for everyday counting and calculations. Second one is binary number system. The binary number system is base 2 number system. It uses two digits 0 and 1. Each digit's place value is a power of 2, like 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, and 2 to the power 2. The binary system is the foundation for data representation in computers and digital conversion. Third one is octal number system. The octal system is a base 8 number system. It uses 8 digits like 0 to 7. Each digit's place value is a power of 8. 8 to the power 0, 8 to the power 1, 8 to the power 2. It is often used to simplify the representation of binary numbers by grouping them into sets of 3 bits. Last one is hexadecimal number system. The hexadecimal system is base 16 number system. It uses 16 digits 0 to F, where A equal to 10, B equal to 11, C equal to 12. Each digit's place value is a power of 16. 16 to the power 0, 16 to the power 1, and 16 to the power 2. Hexadecimal simplify binary by representing every 4 bits as one digits. Number system conversion. Number system conversion. There are many types of number system conversion: binary to octal, binary to decimal, and binary to hexadecimal. Octal to binary, octal to decimal, and octal to hexadecimal. Decimal to binary, decimal to octal, and decimal to hexadecimal. Last one is hexadecimal to binary, hexadecimal to octal, and hexadecimal to binary, and hexadecimal to decimal. There are some example: decimal to binary number system. This example is so the value of base 10, it convert to binary numbers. And thank you.